Nourishments for the Soul, Recipes for Longevity and Well-Being by Life Success. Introduction. In the journey of life, our well-being is the compass that guides us through the ebbs and flows, the high peaks and low valleys. Nourishing the soul, then, becomes not just an act of sustenance, but a profound ritual of self-care and love. This book invites you on a voyage to explore the essence of longevity and well-being through the lens of nourishment, where food meets philosophy, and where every bite is a step closer to a more vibrant, fulfilling existence. Chapter 1. The Foundations of Soulful Nourishment. Imagine standing at the crossroads of the vast culinary world, where each path is strewn with ingredients that have the power to transform, heal, and energize. This chapter is your map, guiding you through the philosophical and practical aspects of eating with intention and understanding the alchemy of nutrition. Here, we delve into how the simple act of choosing, preparing, and consuming food can be a profound journey of self-discovery and wellness. Have you ever paused before a meal to consider the journey of the ingredients on your plate? Eating with intention is the practice of bringing awareness and gratitude to this journey, acknowledging the earth, the growers, and the cooks who played a part in bringing nourishment to your table. It's about making conscious choices that reflect not just your bodily needs, but also your values and aspirations. Every meal presents an opportunity to choose foods that contribute to your health and happiness. For instance, selecting locally sourced vegetables not only supports your physical well-being with fresh, nutrient-rich produce, but also aligns with a commitment to sustainability and community support. Slow down and savor your food. This practice can transform eating from a mundane task into a joyful experience. By paying attention to the flavors, textures, and aromas, you engage all your senses, enhancing the satisfaction and digestibility of your meal. Nutritional alchemy is about more than just the chemical composition of foods. It's about their energetic qualities and the transformative effect they can have on our bodies and spirits. This ancient wisdom, combined with modern nutritional science, offers a holistic approach to eating that can lead to profound changes in health, mood, and vitality. Consider the humble garlic clove, a powerhouse of medicinal properties. Rich in allicin, it has the power to boost the immune system, reduce inflammation, and even combat heart disease. When we view garlic not just as a flavor enhancer, but as a key player in our health, the act of adding it to our cooking becomes a deliberate step towards wellness. Foods carry energy that can affect our physical and emotional state. For example, root vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots are grounding, providing a sense of stability and warmth. On the other hand, leafy greens are light and uplifting, promoting clarity and renewal. By understanding these qualities, we can tailor our diet to support our overall well-being, choosing foods that balance our energies according to the seasons, our mood, and our health needs. The relationship between food and well-being is not just about physical health. It's a symbiosis where nourishment of the body is inseparable from the nourishment of the soul. The foods we eat can influence our emotions and vice versa. Our emotional state can affect our food choices and how our body processes those foods. Soulful nourishment goes beyond nutritional intake. It encompasses practices that feed our inner selves, creating rituals around meals, expressing creativity through cooking, and sharing food with loved ones are all ways to enrich our spiritual connection with eating. A diet that supports physical health, while also catering to emotional and spiritual needs, is the cornerstone of holistic well-being. It's recognizing that a bowl of soup can be comforting to the soul on a rainy day, just as a crisp salad can invigorate the body in the heat of summer. The journey through the foundations of soulful nourishment invites us to view eating not just as a necessity, but as a rich opportunity for growth, healing, and connection. By embracing the philosophy of eating with intention and delving into the alchemy of nutrition, we open ourselves to a transformative process that feeds every part of our being. As we move forward, let us carry the insights and practices from this chapter into our daily lives, making each meal a step towards a more conscious, vibrant existence. Chapter 2. Ingredients that Speak to the Soul. Embarking on a culinary journey, imagine each ingredient as a whisper from nature, telling a story of healing, energy, and vibrance. This chapter unveils the secrets of these whispers, guiding you through the soulful essence of vegetables, whole grains, and spices. These are not just components of a recipe, but allies on your path to well-being. Let's explore how these natural treasures can transform your health, mood, and spirit. Vegetables are the earth's colorful gifts, each hue signaling a unique blend of nutrients and energies poised to nourish and heal. The vibrant red of tomatoes, bursting with heart-healthy lycopene, the deep green of spinach, packed with iron and folate, and the sunny yellow of bell peppers, rich in vitamin C, paint a palette of wellness possibilities. Engaging with vegetables through the lens of their colors not only makes for a visually appealing plate, but also ensures a diversity of nutrients. This variety supports everything from immune function to brain health, demonstrating that beauty and wellness are intrinsically linked. Eating with the seasons connects us to the natural cycle of life and growth. Seasonal vegetables are at their nutritional peak, offering the best flavor and vitality. For instance, the tender greens of spring awaken the body from the heaviness of winter, while the hearty squashes of autumn prepare us for the cold months ahead. Whole grains are the cornerstone of age-old diets, revered for their ability to sustain and nourish civilizations. These humble seeds, wheat, barley, quinoa, and more are brimming with life's essentials: fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. They are the slow-burning fuel that powers our bodies and brains, providing a steady source of energy that supports both physical and mental activities. Beyond the common wheat and rice lies a world of ancient grains: amaranth, millet, farro, each with its unique nutritional profile and story. For instance, quinoa, known as the mother of all grains among the Incas, offers a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. The act of preparing whole grains, soaking, simmering, fluffing, is a meditation on patience and care. This ritualistic aspect of cooking grains fosters a deeper appreciation for the food, enhancing the sensory experience of eating and imbuing meals with a sense of grounding and connection. Spices, the soul of culinary traditions around the globe, are powerful tools for transformation. They bring not only depth and complexity to our dishes, but also a host of healing properties. Turmeric, with its curcumin content, offers potent anti-inflammatory benefits, while cinnamon can help regulate blood sugar levels and ginger aids in digestion and nausea relief. The art of blending spices is like composing a melody, where each spice contributes its unique note to create harmony. The warming spices cinnamon, cardamom, cloves nourish the soul on cold days, while cooling spices mint, fennel, coriander refresh and revive during the heat. Beyond their health benefits, spices act as catalysts in our bodies, enhancing the absorption and efficacy of other nutrients in our meals. For example, the piperine in black pepper increases the bioavailability of turmeric's curcumin, exemplifying how the synergistic power of spices can amplify their healing potential. The journey through the realm of vegetables, whole grains, and spices is an exploration of the intimate relationship between nature and nourishment. Each ingredient offers a unique blend of flavors, energies, and healing properties, inviting us to cultivate a deeper connection with the foods we eat. As we incorporate these natural allies into our meals, we not only enhance our physical health, but also nurture our souls, embracing a holistic approach to well-being that honors the wisdom of the earth and the richness of life. Let these ingredients speak to your soul, guiding you toward a path of vitality, balance, and joy. Chapter 3: Soulful Recipes for Every Day. Imagine your kitchen transforming into a sanctuary, where each recipe is not just a method for preparing food, but a ritual for nourishing the body and soul. In this chapter, we journey through a day with meals designed to awaken, sustain, and comfort, turning everyday eating into an act of mindful nourishment. From the first sip of tea in the morning to the last bite of dinner, these recipes are your companions in a daily practice of wellness and joy. Begin the day with a cup of sunrise turmeric and ginger tea, a golden elixir that cleanses, energizes, and awakens your senses. Turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, and ginger, known for its digestive benefits, combine to create a soothing, warming beverage. A touch of lemon and honey adds a bright, comforting sweetness, embodying the promise of a new day. This tea is not only a physical warm-up, but also a moment of calmness to set intentions for the day. The ritual of preparing and savoring it encourages mindfulness, inviting you to be present at the moment. Oatmeal Renaissance. Transform your morning oats into a canvas of creativity with the Oatmeal Renaissance. Start with whole grain oats, cooked until creamy, and then layer on textures and flavors with a medley of seasonal fruits, nuts, seeds, and a whisper of cinnamon. This dish is a balance of complex carbohydrates, fiber, healthy fats, and proteins, ensuring sustained energy throughout the morning. Each ingredient in this oatmeal is chosen for both its nutritional value and its ability to satisfy the senses, making breakfast not just a meal, but an experience that nourishes the body and delights the soul. Midday meals, sustaining vibrance. Rainbow Buddha Bowl. For lunch, the Rainbow Buddha Bowl is a celebration of colors, textures, and flavors. It's a harmonious blend of quinoa or brown rice, vibrant vegetables, a lean protein source, and a drizzle of tahini lemon dressing. Each component contributes to a balanced intake of macronutrients, while the variety of vegetables ensures a wealth of vitamins and antioxidants. Imagine a bowl filled with red cabbage, carrots, spinach, chickpeas, and avocado, dressed with a lemony tahini sauce. It's a visual feast that promises to fuel the body and elevate the spirit. Hearty lentil soup. A hearty lentil soup is the perfect midday meal to comfort and satisfy. Lentils, a powerhouse of nutrition, offer protein, fiber, and minerals. Simmered with vegetables and spices, this soup becomes a rich, flavorful concoction that warms the heart and fills the stomach. This soup is a testament to the simplicity of ingredients coming together to create a dish greater than the sum of its parts. It's a reminder of the comfort and nourishment that can be found in the simplest meals. Evening elixirs, unwinding with intention. Golden milk latte. As the day winds down, the golden milk latte serves as a soothing nightcap. This beverage combines the healing properties of turmeric with the creaminess of milk or a plant-based alternative, enhanced by a touch of honey and a sprinkle of black pepper to increase turmeric's bioavailability. It's a comforting drink that prepares the body and mind for rest. The ritual of preparing the golden milk latte is an act of self-care, a gentle closing ceremony for the day that supports restful sleep and overall well-being. Mediterranean stuffed peppers. For dinner, Mediterranean stuffed peppers offer a flavorful, nourishing end to the day. Filled with a mixture of whole grains, herbs, olives, and feta cheese, these peppers are a testament to the vibrant flavors and health benefits of Mediterranean cuisine. They're not just a meal, but a celebration of life's flavors, bringing joy and satisfaction to the evening table. This dish exemplifies how ingredients from different cultures can be combined to create meals that are both nutritious and soul-satisfying. It's a culinary journey that nourishes the body, delights the taste buds, and enriches the spirit. Through the rituals of preparing and enjoying these soulful recipes, each day becomes an opportunity to connect with the deeper essence of nourishment. From the awakening of senses in the morning to the comforting rituals of the evening, these recipes are guides on a journey of wellness, joy, and connection. Let the act of cooking and eating be a mindful practice, a way to nourish not just the body, but also the soul, turning daily meals into moments of celebration, reflection, and gratitude. Chapter 4. The Rituals of Eating. Imagine transforming every meal into a meaningful ceremony where the act of eating transcends the physical and becomes a moment of connection, mindfulness, and gratitude. This chapter delves into the sacred rituals of eating, guiding you through practices that enhance not just the nutritional value of food, but also its capacity to nourish the soul. Let's explore how mindful eating and the joy of cooking can become profound rituals that enrich our daily lives. Mindful eating is about bringing full attention to the experience of eating, turning it into a practice of awareness and appreciation. It involves noticing the colors, textures, and flavors of food, acknowledging where it comes from, and tuning into how it affects your body and emotions. Begin by taking a few deep breaths before eating. This helps center your attention and slows down the pace, setting the stage for a mindful meal. As you eat, try to identify all the different flavors and textures in your mouth. appreciating the complexity and craftsmanship that went into creating the dish. This practice can transform your relationship with food. It leads to better digestion, as taking time to chew thoroughly and eat slowly can help the body process food more efficiently. Mindful eating also encourages a deeper connection to hunger and satiety cues, potentially leading to healthier eating patterns and greater satisfaction with meals. Consider the experience of eating a single piece of dark chocolate mindfully, letting it melt in your mouth, noticing the richness, the slight bitterness, and the sweet undertones. This level of attention can turn a simple piece of chocolate into a rich, fulfilling experience. The joy of cooking, a meditative practice. Cooking as a form of meditation. Cooking offers a unique opportunity to practice mindfulness. The act of preparing a meal requires focus and presence, from the chopping of vegetables to the stirring of a pot. This process can become a meditative practice, where each action is an expression of care and intention. When you engage fully in the cooking process, you become more connected to the ingredients and the act of creation. This connection can elevate your mood and reduce stress, as the repetitive tasks of cooking often serve as a form of active meditation, calming the mind and focusing the spirit. Beyond its meditative aspects, cooking is an outlet for creativity and expression. Experimenting with flavors, textures, and colors allows you to bring a piece of yourself to the dish, turning each meal into a personal artwork. Crafting a soup from scratch, tasting and adjusting the seasonings as you go, is a creative process. You're not just following a recipe, you're engaging with the food, learning from it, and making it your own. This act of creation can be incredibly satisfying and joyful, adding a layer of personal significance to the meal. The rituals of eating and cooking are gateways to a more mindful, connected, and satisfying relationship with food. By embracing mindful eating, we learn to savor each bite and appreciate the nourishment food provides. Through the joy of cooking, we engage in a creative, meditative practice that enriches our lives and feeds our souls. Together, these rituals transform the daily necessity of eating into an opportunity for growth, joy, and connection. As we move forward, let these practices be a reminder of the beauty and richness that mindful attention can bring to our meals and our lives. Conclusion. As we come to the close of this culinary journey, it's clear that Nourishments for the Soul, Recipes for Longevity and Well-Being, is a manifesto for a life lived with intention, awareness, and profound joy. Through the exploration of ingredients that whisper ancient wisdom, recipes that dance with vitality, and rituals that ground us in the moment, we have traversed the landscape of nourishment in its most holistic sense. This journey has not just been about the food we eat, but about how we choose to engage with the world around us. It's been a call to embrace the beauty of simplicity, the richness of the earth's bounty, and the deep, nourishing connections that food can foster among friends, family, and communities. Each recipe, insight, and story shared within these pages has been a step towards understanding that the act of nourishment is an act of love for ourselves, for others, and for the planet. As you move forward, let the lessons and flavors of this book linger in your mind and on your palate. Remember that every meal is an opportunity to practice gratitude, to honor the hands that grew your food, and to cherish the moments of connection and joy that come from sharing a meal. Let your kitchen be a sanctuary, your dining table a place of communion, and your meals a celebration of life's infinite possibilities. In the end, Nourishments for the Soul is an invitation to continue exploring, learning, and growing in your relationship with food and well-being. It's a reminder that the journey to wellness is perpetual, filled with discoveries, challenges, and triumphs. May you carry the essence of this book in your heart, allowing its wisdom to illuminate your path, inspire your cooking, and enrich your life in ways you never imagined possible. And so, with a heart full of gratitude and a soul stirred to its depths, we close this chapter, but not the journey. The journey of nourishment, after all, is unending, a continuous cycle of growth, renewal, and deep, soulful satisfaction. Let us step forward with intention, savoring each moment, each bite, with the profound recognition that in nourishment, as in life, the deepest joy comes from giving, receiving, and sharing the bounty of our existence with love.